Hello guys, my name is Pravyat and welcome to our channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So you guys can see the website name is trueen.com, and you guys can see according to Acharyaf the domain rating is 61, and this website having mostly traffic from Turkey, New Zealand, USA, Peru and the Chile. If you want to drive crawlability and the audience from that kind of country and your business awareness, so then you guys have to list your business on that website. And this website having 20.2k total visitors. So now everything is perfect. So I can go to share with you guys. This is a website dashboard. I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So now we can start. So there you guys can see there is a listing button. You guys have to click over there. Simply you guys can click for the login button. Then after that you guys can see there is a sign up option. So there you guys have to add your name, and the display name you guys have to choose your brand name. Then you guys can choose your password. Then you guys can choose your company name. Then after that you guys have to choose your zip code. And after that you guys have to acknowledge the terms and conditions. Then after that you guys can click for the sign up button. Okay, once you guys can complete your profile and you guys can see that kind of interface, so there you guys have to, if you want to update your profile description, profile details, you guys have to do from there now. So now once we can update all the things. So there you guys can see there is verify your identity and get badge. Firstly we can see what kind of okay, so this is a paid option, get free credit. So you guys have to ignore these things. And after that there is a edit your info button. You guys have to see there you guys can add your city name. So our city name is and after that you guys have to choose your country name, USA. And after that you guys have to update something about yourself. You guys have to fill these things because I'm going to copy our website description for my business listing. Okay, so after that you guys can see there is a add business button. There you guys have to click now. And after that you guys can go with a free option, free listing. There you guys have to click for the submit button. And after that this website can send you a verification email. So you guys have to verify your profile firstly. So this website have sent a verification email. So let me check once. Yeah, we received in a spam folder. Spam folder. So you guys have to check your spam box if you received a verification email over there. So you guys have to verify your profile. So now we verified our profile. Then after that we can go with add business button. There we can choose a free option. And after that you guys have to see there is option. So you guys have to add your company name. So you guys have to choose your category. Actually we are providing recruitment and the video assessment services. So let me check if there are any option. Employment. Okay, tagline. So we can go to copy tagline through our video interview software. And in the description section I can go to copy the description throughout my whatever we have already created. But your cases you guys have to generate a fresh description. And after that if you guys can want to insert a backlink if any kind of a specific keyword, so you guys are also able to do. There you guys can see insert backlink button. So let me check screening and hiring employees. This is my targeted keyword, so where I can go to insert my website URL. So there you guys have to insert your website URL, and after that you guys can see there is a upload logo button. You guys have to upload logo. Right now I don't have. Okay, let me download it first. Okay, there you guys have to add your website URL. And there you guys can add your company details, company address. And if you want to insert your social media handle, so there is an option you guys can add. And after that you guys have to add your email addresses. If you want to publish your original email address, you guys are also able to do. Then after that we can click for the, this is your map location, so you guys have to add your latitude and the longitude. So how you guys have to found your longitude and the latitude? So simply you guys can copy your address, then after that you guys can type in Google search box, but we have another option, so we can go with exact. So this is your longitude. You guys have to see this is your longitude, and this is and this is your longitude. And after that you guys have to click for the next button. There you guys can add your city name. You guys have to add your email address. Okay, there are a lot of things, so we can insert. And after that you guys have to click for the next button. Okay, in the employee section you guys have to add your employee name. So there is a Johan designation is whatever you guys have to choose. Then after that you guys have to click for the next button. So you guys can see after that you guys have to update your office hour. So there you guys can add your office hours. Saturday, Sunday is probably close. And after that you guys can click for the add listing. Okay, let me add once. After that you guys can click for the add listing button. And you guys can see this is your listings. Add hours, delete. And there you guys can click, then you guys can find your listing landing page URL, and also you guys are able to see from their my listing options, listing sections. So you guys can see this is our listing landing page, and this is our brand name, category type, office addresses, and there we have inserted our website URL. Let me check. This is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And the another website URL we have also inserted. So let me check where is this View website. So let me check. This is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's also a do follow backlink. No, it's a no follow backlink, but the once this backlink is a do follow. Okay, so this is a process for the business listing creation, business listing process on that website. The website name is truean.com. Okay, yeah. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project, and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And after that, for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can do something from your side. Okay, yeah. So bye bye and take care.